Introduction to Honey, the Golden Elixir, exploring the miraculous effects of honey on your body.
Honey, often referred to as the golden elixir, has been cherished for centuries for its remarkable taste and numerous health benefits. This natural sweetener is produced by bees using nectar from flowers. Beyond its delectable flavor, honey is packed with essential nutrients and possesses incredible healing properties. In this movie, we will delve into the nutritional value of honey, explore its health benefits, discuss the different types of honey, and highlight its various uses in cooking and as a natural remedy.
The historical significance of honey, a glimpse into its past uses.
Honey, nature's golden elixir, has played a multifaceted role in human history that extends back thousands of years. This remarkable substance, crafted by bees from the nectar of flowers, has been revered and utilized by various civilizations for its diverse properties and applications. In ancient times, honey held a significant place in religious rituals and cultural practices. Egyptians, for instance, associated honey with spirituality and used it in offerings to their gods. Its remarkable longevity, thanks to its natural preservative properties, also made it an important ingredient in embalming practices, aiding the preservation of mummies. Beyond its spiritual and ritualistic uses, honey was prized for its medicinal properties. Ancient texts from cultures such as the Greeks, Romans, and Chinese detail its applications in wound healing, soothing sore throats, and digestive remedies. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of honey were particularly valued, making it a staple in ancient apothecaries. Honey's culinary significance was equally profound. As one of the earliest natural sweeteners, it was utilized to flavor and sweeten foods long before the advent of refined sugar. Its versatility as a sweetener made it an essential ingredient in ancient recipes, ranging from beverages to baked goods. The gathering of honey, often requiring daring feats of beekeeping, played a role in shaping cultural practices and economies. From the ancient art of apiculture in Egypt to the beekeeping techniques of the Mayans, various civilizations developed methods to harvest honey from wild hives, later domesticating bees for controlled production. In sum, honey's historical journey is a testament to its value as a spiritual symbol, medicinal aid, culinary delight, and economic resource. Its use in the past not only speaks to its diverse benefits but also highlights the ingenuity of human societies in harnessing nature's offerings for their well-being. Even as modern technologies and alternatives have emerged, the time-honored legacy of honey in shaping human culture and well-being remains a source of fascination and inspiration. The nutritional value of honey. Honey is a rich source of carbohydrates, primarily in the form of fructose and glucose, which provide a quick burst of energy. It also contains trace amounts of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Moreover, honey is abundant in antioxidants, such as flavonoids, which help protect the body against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. In addition to its macro and micronutrients, honey possesses antimicrobial properties. It contains hydrogen peroxide, which acts as a natural antibacterial agent. This makes honey an excellent choice for treating wounds and preventing infections. Furthermore, honey has prebiotic properties, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and supporting digestive health. Health benefits of honey. The consumption of honey offers a myriad of health benefits. Firstly, honey has been found to alleviate cough symptoms and soothe sore throats, making it a popular home remedy for respiratory ailments. Its antimicrobial properties help to combat bacteria in the throat, while its thick texture coats the throat, providing relief from irritation. Moreover, studies have shown that honey possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. This makes it beneficial for individuals suffering from conditions such as arthritis or gastrointestinal disorders. Additionally, honey has been associated with improved heart health, as it may help lower bad cholesterol levels and decrease the risk of heart disease. Different types of honey: raw honey, local honey. When it comes to honey, there are various types available, each with its own unique characteristics. Two popular types are raw honey and local honey. Is raw honey good for you? Raw honey is unfiltered and unprocessed, making it the purest form of honey available. It retains all of its natural enzymes, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds that are often lost during processing. Raw honey also contains traces of pollen, which can provide relief to individuals suffering from seasonal allergies. However, it is important to note that infants under the age of 1 should not consume raw honey due to the risk of botulism.
Benefits of local honey.
Local honey refers to honey produced by bees in your vicinity. It is believed that consuming local honey can help alleviate allergy symptoms. The theory behind this is that bees collect pollen from local flowers, which is then present in the honey. By consuming small amounts of this local pollen, it is thought that the body can gradually build up immunity and reduce allergy symptoms. However, more research is needed to fully understand the link between local honey and allergy relief. Uses for honey in cooking and baking. Honey is not only a natural sweetener but also a versatile ingredient in the culinary world. Its unique flavor profile can enhance both savory and sweet dishes. Honey can be used as a substitute for sugar in various recipes, adding depth and complexity to the final product. It can be drizzled over yogurt, spread on toast, or used as a glaze for meats and vegetables. In baking, honey adds moisture and acts as a natural preservative, extending the shelf life of baked goods. It can be incorporated into cakes, cookies, and bread, lending a subtle sweetness and a delightful aroma. The natural caramelization of honey when exposed to heat brings a beautiful golden hue to baked treats, making them visually appealing as well. Here are a few recipes that incorporate honey as a sweet and flavorful ingredient. Honey glazed salmon. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, 1/4 cup honey, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: honey glazed salmon. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix together honey, soy sauce, olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. Place the salmon fillets in a baking dish and pour the honey mixture over them.
Bake for about 15–20 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and glazed.
Serve with your choice of side dishes. Honey mustard chicken. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1/3 cup honey,
2 tablespoons Dijon mustard,
1 tablespoon whole grain mustard, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: honey mustard chicken. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, whisk together honey, Dijon mustard, whole grain mustard, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Place the chicken breasts in a baking dish and brush the honey mustard mixture over them.
Bake for about 25–30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through.
Serve with steamed vegetables or a side salad. Honey balsamic roasted vegetables. Ingredients: assorted vegetables, such as carrots, bell peppers, zucchini, and red onion, chopped. 1/4 cup balsamic vinegar.
2 tablespoons honey. 2 tablespoons olive oil.
Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh herbs, such as thyme or rosemary, chopped. Instructions: honey balsamic roasted vegetables. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, whisk together balsamic vinegar, honey, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Toss the chopped vegetables in the balsamic honey mixture until coated. Spread the vegetables on a baking sheet in a single layer. Roast for about 20–25 minutes, stirring once halfway through, until the vegetables are tender and caramelized. Sprinkle with fresh herbs before serving. Remember, these recipes are just starting points, and you can always adjust the quantities and ingredients to suit your taste preferences. Enjoy your delicious honey-infused meals. Honey is a natural remedy. Throughout history, honey has been valued for its medicinal properties. It has been used to treat various ailments, ranging from digestive issues to skin conditions. Honey's antibacterial properties make it an effective option for treating wounds, burns, and ulcers. Applying honey topically can help soothe and heal these conditions, thanks to its ability to promote tissue regeneration and reduce inflammation. Additionally, honey can be used to alleviate digestive discomfort. It has been known to aid in digestion, relieve constipation, and soothe an upset stomach. Consuming a spoonful of honey or incorporating it into warm beverages like herbal tea can provide relief and promote gut health. The importance of quality honey. When harnessing the benefits of honey, it is crucial to prioritize quality. Opt for honey that is sourced from reputable beekeepers and ensure it is free from additives or contaminants.
Look for raw or organic honey to maximize its nutritional value and health benefits.
By selecting high-quality honey, you can fully reap its miraculous effects on your body. Conclusion: honey is more than just a sweet treat. Its nutritional value, health benefits, and diverse uses make it a valuable addition to any diet. Whether you choose raw honey for its purity or opt for local honey to potentially alleviate allergies, this golden elixir offers a multitude of advantages. From its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties to its role in cooking and baking, honey truly is a miraculous substance. Embrace the power of honey and experience the wonders it can bring to your body and overall well-being. Incorporate honey into your daily routine and discover the incredible benefits it offers. Try using honey as a natural sweetener in your morning coffee or tea, or experiment with honey-based recipes in your cooking and baking endeavors. Experience the golden elixir's remarkable effects for yourself.